Hey, what's up, guys? Just wanted to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. But before I share with you the trend, I'm just going to go ahead and turn off my camera because my computer starts to overheat, makes like a fanning noise, so I don't want to mess up the quality of the audio. So I'm just going to turn that off. And I also want to show you my print on demand course, or my Merch by Amazon course that I have for free up on my YouTube channel. So if you go to my YouTube channel, on my homepage, the second playlist, the one with the yellow thumbnails right here, you're going to see my free Merch by Amazon course. It's over an hour long and it's 16 lessons. This is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales. But I teach you a whole bunch of stuff about like how to cross niche, how to niche down, how to scale your designs, how to find trendy niches, how to keep your account safe, how to design, how to hire designers, where to find graphics, so a whole bunch of good stuff. So if you're interested, check it out. The reason I have it for free is because I'm trying to get monetized. I only have 1,000 hours of watch time. You have to get 4, so I have it up for free until I get monetized. And when I get monetized, I'll put it back up for sale on Gumroad where it used to be. And if we take a look at my credentials on merch, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I have over 10,000 sales and I made over $36,000 in royalties on merch. So again, if you're interested in the course, take a look. It's going to be free up on my YouTube homepage. Okay, now let's get back into the content of the video. So the niche that I have for you today is holiday lights and abortion rights. And if you guys were following me back in October, I remember I made a video talking about a niche that just kind of popped into my head, or a phrase where it was something along the lines of like scary nights and abortion rights. It was a Halloween niche or Halloween phrase that I came up with. And the reason I came up with it because I remember back in July there was another one where it was like stars, stripes, and reproductive rights. Is when the news broke about Roe v. Wade happening over the summer. And in that video, when I was talking about the Halloween niche, I was mentioning that, there's probably going to be a Christmas phrase where you can rhyme with abortion rights. And here you can see that people are starting to do that. And so this is the phrase right here. You can also go like holiday lights and reproductive rights, or you can go Christmas lights and abortion rights. You can kind of mix it up with Christmas, holiday, abortion, and reproductive. But this is a phrase that I'm going to focus on today, holiday lights and abortion rights. We're going to see that there's only 21 results, so very low in competition. And this listing right here was just uploaded like a few days ago, 4 days ago. You can see it's already selling at a pretty good price. And then this one right here was also uploaded just a couple days ago, right here, November 19th, like 2 days ago, already selling as well. So this could be a good opportunity for us. This abortion rights niche was like huge over the summer. It's probably one of the best niches over the summer, and it's still popular because of what's just going on. It's right now it's still in the news. So like I said, could be a good opportunity for us. Here's what some of the other designs look like if you use a different phrase like Christmas lights and reproductive rights. So you can use like clip art like Christmas lights. You can use like uteruses, things like that. So take a look at some of these other designs to get some ideas. If we go to test and we just see if holiday lights and abortion rights is trademarked, hit enter, we'll see that nothing pops up. And when we look at the competition on some of the other print-on-demand sites like Etsy, for example, we're going to see holiday rights and abortion rights, only 219 listings, so very little competition. It's going to be pretty easy to get on the first page for this phrase right here. And if we go to Redbubble, we're going to see again 41 results. For here I did Christmas lights and reproductive rights, so again, for a niche to be this low in competition on Redbubble, usually trendy niches are like up in the thousands, so this is actually pretty low, so a good opportunity for us on Redbubble. And then TeePublic, we're going to see same thing, low competition as well. So that is the niche I wanted to share with you guys today. I just saw it when I was doing a little research this morning, as I kind of always do in the morning. And I thought, okay, this is going to be a good one because I just remember how well all these reproductive rights shirts were selling over the summer and continue to sell. So get your designs up. Hope you guys are having a good Q4. Things are starting to pick up and starting to jam. And as we get closer to Black Friday, usually it's like from Black after Thanksgiving all the way to like December, I don't know, maybe like 15th or something. It's just like nonstop sales. And there we go, already starting to get some sales. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, if you want to check out my course, take a look right here. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I put out regular videos about trending niches, design ideas, things like that for Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand websites. All right, so thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.